Hi guys, and welcome to the
Deuber table.
So we are back.
Say hi. Hi. Yuri's here, helping. Me? Yeah.
You can do it. Go for it.
Thank you. That's a big win.
And today we're going to make eggplant rollatini.
Swiss mountain food.
Pork dumplings today.
So we're gonna make some drinks based on Campari.
It's penne alla vodka.
It's gazpacho. So we're gonna make margaritas today.
Steakhouse at your house. Spaghetti bolognese.
How much of the prep do you do?
As little as possible. Let's make this movie.
It's not piercing the skin at all.
Like, I don't even know what this thing is.
I'm gonna show you in a minute. You know, let's say you want to
Ooh,
make.
we're gonna do math.
Let's-
Damn, dude, it's like 3 o'clock.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's strong.
Well, the show isn't gonna take that long.
Some beautiful fava beans. Yeah, you can see the beautiful fava bean here. Notice they're very sweet.
That was our kid screaming in the other room.
We cut.
This is all I can do to throw water.
Actually, I boiled the water. Sorry.
Ah!
And we were going for a PG show.
It's never PG with us. It's PG-13. So hard X.
Cheers to that.
Cheers.
Cut.